Everyone, welcome to Standard 1 GK class. Children, this is my second video of this week, and in this video I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 16, and the name of the chapter Places of Worship, and it is in page number 22 of GK books. But before, children, you should know about our religions, something information about religions. We all worship God, okay? I also worship God, you also worship God. It means we all worship God, and God is only one. But we have given different name. Like Muslim call him what? Muslim call him Allah. Hindus call him what? Bhagwan. Sikh call him Vaheguru, and the Christian call him what? God. The belief that we have in God is our religions. Okay, yes, the belief what we believe what, okay, so belief in our God is our religions. Religions that we followed have different names, but different religions have different craze are the same. All religions have their own religious or holy books. So in this chapter today you all going to learn about the different religions, places of worship, and their holy books. Okay, so let us start. Like first, this is the picture of temple. Spelling of temple Temple. And what do you know about this? Yes, Hindus go to temple for worship. They go to temple for worship. Spelling of worship WORSHIP, worship. Okay, and also you all know, children, Hinduism is the oldest religions. Yes, it is the oldest religions in the world, and also they go to temple. Yes, they go to temple for worship, and their holy book names are Bhagavad Gita. Spelling of Bhagavad Gita BHAGWAD, Bhagavad Gita, GITA, Gita. Yes, their holy book name is Bhagavad Gita, and their holy river name is the Ganga. Spelling of the Ganga Ganga spelling GANGA, 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 Ganga. Okay, and also Om is the main symbols of Hinduism. And Hinduism, yes, Om is the Hinduism symbol. It is the symbol of Hinduism. Om is the symbol of Hinduism. So children, what you are knowing about that, there's religions. Yes, Hindus go to temple for worship, and their holy book names are the Bhagavad Gita, and the holy river name is the Ganga. After, the next religions is here. Yes, this is the picture of mosque, and Muslim go to mosque for worship, and followers of Islam are called Muslim. Yes, the followers of Islam are called Muslim. Spelling of Muslim MUSLIM, Muslim. Who in Arabic is known as Allah, 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 whose name who's known as Allah. The word Islam, yes, the word Islam means submission of the will of God. And Muslim go to, already have spoken, go to mosque to offer nawaz, and their holy book name is the Quran. They also celebrate different, every religions they celebrate different festival. Like Muslim celebrate Eid, Muharram, Bakrid. Okay, like same way Hindus celebrate what? Diwali, Chhat, Durga Puja. Okay, so Muslim they celebrate as a Eid, Muharram, Bakrid. Now after that, here, this is the picture of Gurudwara, and Gurudwara, Golden Temple. And also, no, children, Sikhism. I'm just telling about the Sikhism. Sikhism is the faith whose followers are called Sikhs. Okay, the word Sikh means discipline, and they go to Gurudwara for worship. Yes, Sikh go to Gurudwara for worship. Guru, Guru, Dwara, Gurudwara. Sikh go to Gurudwara for worship, and their holy book name is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib, Guru, Guru Granth, 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 Sahib, Sahib. Okay, their holy book name is Guru Granth Sahib, and they also celebrate festival like Baisakhi, 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 Lohri or Guru Parv. Okay, so this is the picture of Golden Temple. It is very famous Gurudwara, and it is in Amritsar. Okay, now after that, this is a picture of church, and also you all know, children, Christian go to church for worship, and also Christians believe in one God. They believe in one God. It is monotheistic religions, and Mary was the mother of Jesus. Monks and nuns are devoted followers of Christianity. Okay, Christianity, and their holy book name is the Bible. Bible, Bible, Bible. Okay, and their holy book name is Bible. They go to church for worship to pray. Okay, church. They celebrate like Christmas Day, Good Friday, and so on. And also, no children, when do we celebrate Christmas Day? Yes, on 25th December we celebrate as a Christmas Day. Okay, in each every year. Now after that, here is the Buddha temple. And what do you know about the Buddha temple? Yes, Buddhists go to Buddha temple to pray. Yes, Buddhist, Buddhist, Buddhist. Buddhist go to Buddha temple. Buddha spelling Buddha, Buddha, Temple. Temple. Buddhists go to Buddha temple to pray, and also Buddhist temple include the structures called Vihar, Stupa, Wat, and Pagoda in different religions and languages. In different religions and languages, they and their structure called Vihar, Stupa, Wat, and Pagoda. Okay, so this is the picture of Buddha temple. Now after that, Jain. Yes, Jains go to Jain temple. This is the picture of Jain temple, and Jains go to Jain temple to pray. A Jain temple is also called, yes, a Jain temple is also called Derasar in Gujarat. The four main teaching of Jainism are: first, non-attachment; second, non-violence; third, self-discipline; and fourth, accepting that the truth has many aspects and sides. Okay, so Jains go to Jain temple. Now after that, so these are the name of our different religions, of their different places and their holy book names. So at last, at a glance, I am just recalling you all. You all will listen very carefully and just try to learn it. Like places of worship: Hindu go to temple. They go to temple for worship. Spelling of Hindu, Hindu. Hindu go to temple, Temple. Temple. And their holy book name is the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad, Bhagwad, Bhagavad Gita, Gita, Gita. But the Bhagavad Gita is the holy book name of Hindu. Muslim, they go to, now next, Muslim go to mosque for offer the nawaz. Yes, mosque, Mosque, Muslim go to mosque. And Sikh go to Gurudwara. Gurudwara spelling Guru, Guru, Dwara, Dwara, Gurudwara. And Christians, Christians, Christian go to church, Church. Church. Again, Hindu temple, Muslim mosque, Sikh Gurudwara, Christian church. And their holy book: Hindu the Bhagavad Gita, Muslim the Quran, Sikh the Guru Granth Sahib, and the Christians the Bibles. So these are the name of the holy books, and this is the name of the different places of worship. Okay, so with hope children, whatever I have explained in this video children, you all have understood very nicely. And at home, what you all have to do, first you all will watch this video till end, and then after you all will complete this the page of this chapter, and also try to learn the places of worship with their holy book. So children, at last, once again I would like to say you thank you. Thank you for watching this video till end. So for today, have a good day and bye bye.